When choosing a family car, many will look at minivans. They are comfortable, roomy, and in terms of driving habits, they are close to passenger cars. If the search sector has narrowed down to a used medium-sized right-hand drive monocab, you should pay attention to the Toyota Nadia. The minivan was produced only for the Japanese market in 1998 to 2003, in front and all-wheel drive versions. Nadia has the comfort inherent in cars of a higher class. Large doorways are comfortable, as are almost home chairs. Finishing materials cannot be called expensive, but the velour on the seats is pleasant and practical, and the plastic panels fit perfectly. The rear seats move along the cabin independently of each other, increasing the already considerable legroom, and also have adjustable backrest and individual armrests. Of course, with a cabin width of about 1,600 millimeters, 3 of us can sit, but the third one is still superfluous, especially on a long trip. If behind a full passenger with a height of 190 centimeters it is quite comfortable even in winter clothes, then in the front seat it will be cramped, the armrest will have to be raised. Equipment: Nadia is standard for a modern car: power steering, ABS, 2 airbags, air conditioning or climate control, power accessories, central locking with remote control, 4 power windows, side mirrors. Standard equipment includes audio, video, and navigation systems. In Russia, however, TV and navigation require special settings. The 2-liter petrol engine is offered in 2 versions. The automatic selector is located under the steering wheel, a common solution for Japanese cars that allows you to free up the passage between the front seats. Where is the handbrake? The parking brake here is with the foot drive. The main drawback of Toyota Nadia is the lack of a European analog. There will be no problems with consumable spare parts, but the need to replace body parts can take a month and a half to deliver them from Japan.